in this new escalation with Iran also taking a toll on oil and gas prices, as well as Wall Street. Here to break it all down for us is NBC's chief business correspondent, Christine Romans. Christine, nice to see you, as always. We had seen oil and gas prices coming down over the last few weeks. Where do things stand right now, and where do you get a sense, with your spidey sense, of where this is going?
There had been a real improvement in oil and gas prices, and you've probably seen it if you've gone to the pump. But overnight, we saw gas prices jump 5 cents. So you've seen a reversal of that progress because the president says the ceasefire is over, the memorandum of understanding toward peace talks is dead, and these new strikes in Iran has brought this conflict back to the beginning, essentially. Remember, this started way back in February. You saw gas prices jump as high as $4.50, and Patrick DeHaan over at Gas Buddy tells us if you don't have real progress here and you don't have more ships moving through the Strait of Hormuz, there are some, but not even close to what it was before the war, you're going to have a problem with gas prices in the near term. You could see us moving back toward $4 a gallon here pretty soon.
And even if the war were to end tomorrow, it would still take some time for those gas prices to eventually come down.
Months potentially here, because you have such a backlog of oil that has just been off of the market. And you've got some producers that have been trying to produce more. You've got some levers that have been pulled around the world. But I don't want to. I want to be very clear. This has been a huge disruption for oil production and for getting oil supplies to the overall market. So I think that you'll see that markets overall, but especially gas and oil markets, are going to be very, very susceptible to any kinds of headlines that you're seeing out of the Middle East and from the president in particular.
What did we see with the stock market yesterday? How did the market respond to all of this?
Yeah, it was a tough day. You know, the Dow was down about 1%, although the NASDAQ up a little bit. The NASDAQ has been really marching to its own drummer, a lot of investment into artificial intelligence. In fact, it's been, you've heard me say it, a split screen. You've got affordability concerns for American consumers who are laser focused on gas prices and the cost of living, yet the stock market has really had a very good year because earnings for S&P 500 companies have been very, very strong. The investment for artificial intelligence has just flooded money into the stock market. And so investors and I think American consumers have got two different playbooks that they're seeing here today. But we'll watch carefully what happens in the stock market. There are many market analysts who tell me stocks might be, they might be over optimistic on a quick end to the war with Iran. And so that's something to watch here in the near term.
We know you're going to be watching it all. Christine, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.